Hello everyone, I'm Angela, the Marketing Director of Guangzhou Washing Packaging Materials. Marketing Director Angela. Today I will show you our washing packaging about gift boxes and paper bags. We will conduct a drop test for each product. First, I will show you our folding gift box. A folding gift box with a handle. It's a gift box for wedding dresses and it can be flattened for shipment. First, let's show you its structure because its size is very large. So after flattening it for shipment, it can save a lot of freight. Then let's test whether if it can bear weight. This is an unopened bucket. About 17 liters of bottled water. Look, we put it on the box. The box is intact and there is no dent. It shows that our quality is good. It can make all our customers feel at ease. For transportation, we will do the outer packaging. We will do multiple layers of protection to ensure that when customers receive our box, all the edges and corners are intact. First, in terms of material selection, we use a 3mm thick fiberboard as the center of the carton, so it can bear more weight. And look at our workmanship. We consider the margin of this box. If the margin is too narrow, the box will be easily stretched apart, like a big belly. So we will strictly control the distance between the two sides and the core. So when we press down or even stand on a person's weight, it will not sink down. This is a question that customers are particularly concerned about.